In this video, I'll show you how to share Google Drive files and folders. This video is really for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you love to share a file or a folder in Google Drive, what you need to do is open up your Google Drive. What you need to just click on this three-dotted icon. You're going to be able to see the share option. So if you click on it, you can come on here and add up the mail of the person you want to share it to. So this is for sharing folder. You can also do that as well for sharing files. So if you want to share a file, just do this. Click on the share. You can be able to add up their email here. So the next way you can do this is to possibly copy the link, right? So if you love to share it to your friends, your family, just click on this copy link. You're going to see the copy link option. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to copy the link. You can do that for the files or for the folders. If you find this video helpful, share it us below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.